Shang-Chi and the Legend of the Ten Rings started playing last Friday, and I got a Facebook feed for this theater chain, Look Dine-in Cinemas. They offer reclining seats, which we've never tried before, so we figured we'd check it out. Our movie was playing on screen 7, and here's the lobby where you check in. And this is the second floor with tables and chairs where you can hang out, and the hallway leading to screen 7. This is the auditorium with all the reclining seats. They are really comfortable. All the seats comes with table and lamps and several controls. You can prop up your feet by pressing one of the buttons and recline the backrest, and it can get really comfortable to the point that you can probably fall asleep. To order your food, you can either get it at the kiosk or scan the QR code and order the food online. This is the food that I ordered for my movie, and the experience was really fantastic.